And these people that would do these things is mostly also not even freaking South African. They come from African countries where they chop each other's freaking limbs off with pangas. People has given me pangas. It's just like it doesn't mean anything, you know. If you can't control the whole bloody place, like, and make everything civilized and beautiful and happy, you know, then it's just not going to help. But like this one guy that got chopped up and like rearranged like Jesus Christ, like a crucifixion or something. The thing is, like, you can't force stuff down people's throats and threaten them, you know, of never being all they can be. Like me, and you know, like, freak it, I love my freaking dog, you know, so my dog died. It's not a finding Jesus thing. So black people will never stand in front of you and talk shit about you to each other. There's a lot of languages here, so all that crap is in your own head. I don't think I am at the same place